How to delete your Spotify history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can delete your recently played or your history on Spotify. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to clear your history or recently played, you have to understand multiple things. But first, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Spotify app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Spotify app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So your history basically means your recently played songs. So as you can see, my recently played songs over here. So even if I just go to this particular playlist over here, and if I tap on the three dots, you can see that I do not have the option to remove this from my row or remove this from the recently played section. That is because Spotify actually removed the way on how you can actually remove the recently played section. There isn't a way that you can actually go ahead and remove this. However, I can suggest you some alternatives. Let's say that you're sharing this account, you don't want others to know that these are some of the songs that you listen to. What you can do is you can see the recently played actually features up to 12 recent played songs over here, which means the 12 recent played playlists and songs. So what we can do is instead we can choose a new song from our list, and we'll just play that particular song. We'll add any of the random songs over here, and we'll remove it to the end of the screen. As you listen to more songs, these are going to be moved to the end of the screen until the 12th section, and after that it is going to just disappear. So the problem, or the way I'm telling you over here, is to simply replace this with a new recently played if you're too embarrassed to let others know that this is a song that you played on Spotify. And that is simply the first way to do it. And after that, let's say that instead of actually deleting our history, there is a way that we can listen to songs anonymously. So in order to do that, first, just come to your home button and tap on the gear icon from the top right over here. And once you scroll through here, you'll find the option called social. So let me just go ahead and do that. You can see the option called social, and what you can do is you can turn on private session. What this does is that it is not going to keep track of any of the songs you listen to on Spotify, and it is not going to also feature the recently played section. Now this should be done beforehand, but obviously that is not possible to delete the current ones, so we can replace that with the new song we listen to, and we can turn on private session. Hopefully this video helped answer the question as to how you can delete your history on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.